Let's get your new Square Reader up and running. In this video, you'll see all the features of your reader. Get step-by-step instructions to set it up and install the right software. Pair your device, learn how to take your first payment, and add the right accessories for your business. Inside your box, there's a Square Reader, a charging cable, payment acceptance decals, and a Getting Started guide. Your reader has a built-in contactless antenna, a card slot, a power button, and a USB-C port for the charging cable. On a single charge, your reader's battery is designed to last all day. Simply press the power button to check the battery level. The LED lights will indicate the charge. 4 green lights means it's fully charged and ready for payments, and 1 red light means it needs to be charged. You can also check the battery level under Hardware Settings in the POS app. To charge, plug the charging cable into your reader and the other end into a USB-C wall charger of your choice. Keep it connected for at least 2 to 3 hours for a full charge. Before connecting Square Reader, you'll need to install the Square Point of Sale app. Your reader is compatible with most iOS or Android devices. Just go to the Apple App Store or Google Play Store to download the right Square POS app for your business, such as Square Point of Sale, Square for Restaurants, Square for Retail, or Square Appointments. Sign in with your existing Square account or set up a new one. Now you're ready to pair your Square Reader to your phone, tablet, or iPad. Go to your device settings and turn on Bluetooth. Next, open the Square POS app. Select More, Settings, Hardware, then Square Card Readers. Tap Connect a Reader. A pop-up will tell you to press and hold the power button. Release the button when the 4 orange lights start flashing, about 3 seconds. When you see 4 green lights, your reader is connected to your device. Even when not in use, your reader should stay connected to your device. If the status bar in your Square POS app no longer says connected, press the power button once and the Square app will instantly connect again. All connected, you're ready to start taking payments. In your Square app, select items from your Square item library and add them to the cart. Or just enter an amount in pounds for a new item, then tap Charge. 1 green light should appear on your Square Reader. That means it's ready to accept a payment. Customers can hold their card or device near the contactless symbol on your reader, or insert their card into the card slot. Just make sure the chip side is facing up. Then, if paying with chip and PIN, customers can securely enter their code on your mobile device. Once a tick appears on your POS app, or you see 4 green lights on your reader and hear the payment acceptance beep, payment is complete. You can then send receipts via email or text, or print one by connecting a wireless printer, or skip this step altogether. Square Reader works with a range of accessories to let you customize the way you sell. Whether you want more ease and stability at a countertop, or versatility and protection for payments on the go. To learn more about setting up your Square Reader, visit square.com/setup.